Let us think about the word peace. How to understand quickly, with the little time, with the few second time, few minutes time. When think of a structure of a creation, like a structure of our own body, inside you will find everything. There is a structure word, there is structure peace. When try to understand intuitive language and go inside these structures, you can dig out the real content. हमारा ये कहना है, किसी भी रचना के अंदर ही उसके गुण विद्यमान होते हैं। जैसे हम सबकी ये रचना है, सिर से पैर की उंगली तक, इसके अंदर ही सभी चीज़ें विद्यमान हैं जो हम जानना चाहते हैं। ऐसे वर्ड पीस एक स्ट्रक्चर है, एक बॉडी है, उसके अंदर ही आपको मिलेगा कि वर्ड पीस है क्या। वर्ड इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम some ancient language. The word is called age of man. Age of man means existence of man. Then what is the existence of water? Take a glass of water, you cannot kill it. Put in the fire, water will be vapor. Try to reduce the temperature, it will be ice. Under hydrolysis, it will be hydrogen oxygen. Then water is immortal. Atoms are immortal. Energy waves are immortal. Sky is immortal. Then what is the age of man? In fact, we are immortal. When soul is immortal? No. Soul has become water, therefore water is immortal. Soul has become these visible patterns. Therefore, try to search this science. What is the immortality? That is called journey towards peace. We are having problem when we become sick, when we are having tension and worries, when we have no fund, no money, then we feel sickness, tension. The moment you try to search our immortal nature, money will come automatically to you. Peace and joy and power and knowledge will follow you. The whole nature will follow you. This is called the ancient Indian heritage philosophy. Try to understand this. Because of this wrong philosophy, we are mortals, and because of this, we are sick. Therefore, we find very hard, we think of money. We proved in Allahabad that we sold all millions rupees property for the spreading the word peace. After that, we became penniless. Then we start coming automatically. We never approached anyone to get any single penny. Then we have program in all over the world because we are teaching you are not mortal. Mortality never exists. Sin never exists. Illness, sickness never exists. We proved it. Complete healing of colon cancer in Canada. Complete healing of breast cancer. Complete healing of diabetes, 600 fasting. Complete healing of blood pressure. This is called the path of peace. The moment you try to realize, one day we will die, you will have never peace. Therefore, the teaching of Indian heritage is this. All are immortal, try to search immortality. This is the basic concept. I request all of you, try to get some time to learn this science. Mahatar Babaji, one great master, who is still alive, his life span is many 100,000 years, is still 25 years young. He has spread this philosophy and principle of Maharshi Patanjali Kriyaga meditation. The moment you learn it, peace will follow you. You have not to seek peace. You will represent the whole existence is peace. Though this is the compact philosophy, but it is true. We have proved it, and we are proving it every day. The doctors came from America, having 10 surgeries, 2 bypass surgeries, and 8 other surgeries, abdominal, spinal, knee joint and nose. All were healed from 12 years, no medicine. Saroj Balas was just High Court judge. His brother-in-law was having fasting blood sugar 600. When he starts searching immortality, diabetes disappeared. He is alive. That doctor is alive. Therefore, I request all of you, as we have WhatsApp University, you must have Kriya University that is moving through the website, through the YouTube, through the face-to-face practice. I am very, very fortunate speaking to all of you, the greatest ancient Indian science of immortality, which will bring peace automatically. Because subject is so vast, you can speak years together. Therefore, I do not like to talk unnecessarily. The message I have given, world is known as age of man. If age of water is immortal, air is immortal, atoms are immortal, age of mind is immortal. Try to realize this, you will get peace. With this brief message, I bow to all of you.